Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to set up Alexa Echo Show. So first thing is turn on the Alexa and you can get the screen. So here is the options. So here you can select your language. So I will skip this option. So now you need to connect your Wi-Fi. So here I will select my Wi-Fi. Here I will type my password. Here tap on continue. So here type your email and password. So let me type it. So I have typed my email or password. So now it is registering and here loading. So here tap on agree and continue. Here tap on continue. Select your time zone and continue. So he is loading. So now here you can give the device name like living room, bedroom, kitchen, dining room, TV room, study and office, study, bathroom. And here you can also give the device name. After the giving, here tap on continue. Choose your display photo. If you want to, you can select the child friendly. I don't want, so I click on no. So finally we got the home screen. If your mic is off, then turn on. Here it is given button. Just click on. So here you can use your Alexa. Alexa, what is today's match?
Sri Lanka is playing against India in the India tour of Sri Lanka last Sunday the 23rd of August from 10 am onwards in a test at Salini Sports Club in Colombo.
So yeah, it's working perfectly. So this is how you can set up the Alexa Echo Show. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.